Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another double dip. These canvases are from different brands and they are different, but everything should be okay. But today I will put colors, or how can I say, to create kind of a flowers afterward, just on one canvas, and this one I will just add a little white, and we will see how this will affect the final result. So if you want to see how it looks if you put your paint on both of them, check the cards and description below. So yeah, for this technique less is more, so definitely you don't need a lot of paint. I will add just some titanium white mixed with my pouring medium, that it's glue pouring medium today. It's 70% glue, 30% water mixed together to get my pouring medium, and then I mix that 1-to-1 ratio with paints to get that fluid consistency that I like. And this technique is really easy and fun to play with, so it's really easy. If you are a beginner, try this technique, because you can create really some nice flower shaped paintings, or how can I say, floral paintings. I will add just a little more white on this one, that it will be just white, because I think that I need a little more paint here, because there will not be as much from other colors, but still not too much. So I just, added that. So I will start with this green earth. I like this color a lot. It's Pebeo brand. Oof. That was probably not the best idea, and I have some brilliant green to add a little more of that bright green, because it's spring, yay! Now I will do just some dots. This is Prussian blue, a little bit of sky blue light. I don't care if there is some, color here too, because just doesn't matter as much. Okay, and I will do some, probably just two. This is Bordeaux red, and some magenta there, quite similar. I will add a little gold on top. Those, maybe just some gold over the top here too. And I will add some yellow dots. Just, it's way easier if you do, if you have your colors in the squeeze bottles. That will be it. So I will put just this canvas on top, and I will Put them like that. I hope that I'm in frame. Always struggle with this part because I don't know if I'm in frame. Am I? Let me check real quick. Okay, like that. And slowly spread them apart. And here you have it. Nice floral painting. I will just turn them around to touch up this bottom part a little bit. I need some white here. It's so easy, isn't it? And with this technique is really less is more, you know. If you will add too much paint on the canvases, I'm not sure about these two parts here, but yeah. So the air bubbles. So this is the canvas that didn't have any color on it. This is the one that has. I don't know. There is a difference, but not as much, so want to bring this down. So here they are. This is the one that I put my colors on. And this is the one that had just white before with no color. And I like this one probably more. It's kind of weird that there is more paint on this one than on this one now. Maybe because I added more white on this one. But they are still cool, aren't they? I'm a little bit here and some little details that are not as nice as I hoped, but that gold really acts kind of weird here. You see, I added gold on the red on top, so it's mostly on this side. Here it has just a little accents, and I'm not mad at all because I think that both look quite nice. So yeah, I will show you the dried result on my next video. I was kind of busy lately because something I have some really exciting news that I will share with you really soon. So stay tuned for that. yeah. And for this video, this will be it. So thanks for being here. Do all the good things. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, write a comment, hype the video. That really helps. If you hype it on your phone, it helps algorithms to push my videos to the other people too. So yeah, or just watch. Means a lot to me, everything. So yeah, thanks for being here and see you again on the next one. Bye.